Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I just had the most frustrating week with bloating and inflammation, and it completely turned things around for me. I was feeling puffy and uncomfortable all the time, and I knew I had to try something new. That's when I remembered the gelatin trick, which I'd heard about from a friend who swears by it for reducing inflammation. So I started incorporating it into my daily routine, and the difference was noticeable. I started waking up without that heavy, bloated feeling, and my digestion just felt more balanced. As I looked into it more, I realized that the gelatin trick is really all about giving your body the tools it needs to heal and reduce inflammation. It's not some fancy solution, just a simple daily ritual that uses basic ingredients like gelatin, which is rich in amino acids that help soothe the gut. By doing the gelatin trick, I was able to drop that heavy, weighed down feeling and just feel more like myself. If you're struggling with bloating and inflammation like I was, I highly recommend checking out the gelatin trick. You can find a detailed explanation of how to get started in the link below. And I've also got a pinned comment with some extra tips to get you going. Be sure to take a look and let me know how it works out for you.